come in on this private sector bunch. I mean, for HDFC, the loan book growth that we've seen has been quite strong, and that has pretty much allayed concerns about any kind of large scale down in the housing finance business because of higher interest rates, higher property prices, etc. Do you think the steady tick will continue for something like HDFC?
I think there is no reason to assume anything other than that. The housing finance business is probably the one business in the NBFC space which is still showing a lot of promise. And as you see, the number of applications that have gone to NHB for registering housing finance companies has also been ballooning as more and more companies find that this is the one space where you can still get growth and there is actually some kind of security which most people would be very loath to let go of. So there is margin of safety and there is still a lot of growth that's happening in the sector. HDFC obviously is one of those companies which you would normally classify as very boring and therefore very attractive for investors because it continuously delivers high quality results quarter after quarter after quarter, and though it is premium priced, I think it will remain so, because if you examine the housing finance business, you will find that not too many people have been able to create the kind of scale that HDFC has done with the kind of quality and processes that they have managed to achieve. So, will there be headwinds? I think going forward, yes. As I said, there are a large number of new companies which are coming in. Many NBFCs have already started. A lot of banks are pushing very hard. So competition will definitely move up, and therefore the whole challenge becomes how to keep your cost of funding down. HDFC has an obvious advantage because of its stellar reputation, but I think the going will be a little tougher in the next